Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Marissa. As you can see, we have a very special box. I am in the conference room at work and two of my coworkers are here because we like to do the unboxings. So they're going to unbox with me. So I've got two. This is from their BOGO sale. I ordered these on Wednesday and they came in earlier this morning. So I'm doing all this trying not to show you the address. Y'all don't need to know where I work. So we've got a inventory sheet. So I only got two this time around. So the first one that we got is going to be the Little Tin Soldier. It's a 55 by 73.
That's cute.
And this one is, they're both going to be gifts for people. So this one is actually going to be a Christmas gift. So it'll probably be a little while till I start working on this one. But let's go ahead and open it up. So we can see what it looks like. Alright, so we've got a canvas, just one bag of beads, and a toolkit. So there are beads. This is round, and it does have ABs in it. Can I see the ABs? No, I'm going to have to open it. So this was packed 2/27/19. We'll come back to those. Standard toolkit. I'm not going to go over it. You guys know what it's got. It's got the pen, the squishy, the 2 hearts of wax, and the tray and the baggies. It might have a 3-placer in there. I could feel something. All right. Here we go. So, just gonna roll this. This did come, thank goodness, with a inventory list so I can run it through my sticker maker, the standard insert that they send, and ooh, there we go. That is awesome. Oh my goodness, look at the colors. That is huge. I was not expecting it to be that big. So we have our usual poured glue, super clear. This is very staticky. Oh my goodness, this has 43 colors in it.
What's this?
Yeah, it's like,
Super sticky.
yeah, super, super sticky. That's the DAC glue. So there is the Little Tin Soldier. I love that one. I have a friend who is a fan of the Nutcracker, like a major fan of the Nutcracker, so she's going to love this. So the crinkle. And then,
Look at all those colors.
there's our dark colors there. We have our bright colors here. I love those porcelain.
Oh.
And then some more smaller ones. I don't see. Oh, here's the AB diamonds. They're the yellows.
Ooh.
Look at that. Isn't that pretty?
Yeah, sorry.
Y'all don't mind Alicia. She's so busy looking at the pretty. All right, so we'll put those back into the bag. Kind of
Neatly.
You don't ever get them back in as neatly as they came out, ever. Not too bad, actually. All right, so there's the first one. Just put this back into its baggie so it doesn't get dirty.
Are you gonna buy one?
And then we'll open up the second one.
Oh.
It's gonna take forever.
Is it?
It took me 2 months to do firstborn, which is the wolf, or the lion.
And it wasn't even that big, huh? Like that one.
No, this one is bigger than that one. Okay, so the second one that we got is almost the same size, but it is this little light of mine. And again, this one will be a gift. And I got this one because Wolfpack has been working on it, and seeing her work on it made me want to work on it. So again, we talked about this last night in her live. This is Wolfpack's fault. So let's get this one out. I won't pull out the toolkit because you guys know what that looks like. There's our canvas. Here are our beads, lots of purples, a poop ton of black, which you can see in the middle, and then lots of lovely greens there. And of course we'll have to get them out to be able to see. This one also, I believe, has AB. It is 42 by 75. So let's open up our canvas here. This one came with the insert, but it didn't come with a legend, so I'll have to make a copy. There we go.
Oh, that's pretty.
So this one is kind of skinny, but it is
Long.
nice and tall. This one may be a challenge to find a frame for. But there's that one. I do love the colors in this one. There is a ton of black. So I'll be working back and forth on the Little Mermaid one that I opened about a month ago, and this one at the same time, but this one's going to go up onto my drawing board tonight, and I'm going to kit this up tonight or this weekend and start working on it. So you can see the purples and things, the blues up at the top.
Oh, look at that.
So it looks like we've got two AB diamonds here, 129 and 135. So I'll have to get those out of the bag. It's the usual stickiness. I don't even need to test it because I just know I do hate this clear paper. I'm not a fan. Or this clear plastic. I've said that quite often, but I am not a fan of it. Okay, so here's the beads. Give the girls a little look-see. Here they are.
There's the yellow. Oh,
So there's
That's pretty.
the 129 in a pale yellow. And then here is the 135s, which is like a
oh, I like
safety
that one.
green almost.
Look at that one.
Yeah. So I really like this one. The 135s
That's pretty.
are really pretty. So there's all of our colors. Lots of pastels in this one. Blues, there's 5 or 6 colors of blue here.
Ahorita que entre tu papi.
Okay. I like that blue. Look at that one. Okay. I don't think he's coming back down here today. He's already been here. And then there are
I don't know how those colors
2
are.
bags of 823s, 4 bags of 310s, and 3 bags of 939s, guys. So there's lots of dark in this painting,
Mhm.
which is not going to be fun. Not real thrilled about it, not going to lie. So, guys, this is my Diamond Art Club haul for the BOGO that that is happening currently still. I believe the code is BOGO4. And if you go to diamondartclub.com/BOGO. It will bring up your selections. There's a couple more that I definitely have on my wish list, including Who You Say I Am. That'll probably be the next one that I purchase for my sister for a Christmas present. So be looking out for that. Until then, you guys, I'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.